Hey guys, this is Sophia and Miller.
Welcome to our weekly vlog, and we hope you enjoy. Going out.
We're all dressed, going to the mall, of course.
Off-white's on the foot.
Zooming. The Nordstrom, I got some basic tops. Now we out here.
Great Hills.
Yes, the best mall in the world. Hey.
Hi.
Wish you guys could see how much we're smiling.
Yeah. Yeah. What?
These Christmas lights are so pretty.
There we can go right again.
You know where we at? You know where we at? Yep. I'm so excited. Oh yeah. So good. This is what I've been getting lately. And it's a venti iced coffee. The 2 pumps of caramel, the classic syrup, I can't talk, with cream on the side. And then I pour it in to make it this color. It's the best. This restaurant is so cute. Really cute. Yum.
Yeah.
New married life for the win.
Oh yeah.
So, we still have the just married on the back of our car. We got our rug and it came a day early. We're so excited.
It's gonna be.
We're so excited. I'm a little bit nervous because we ordered it from Home Depot and we looked at the color and I was like, oh, this is a great color. It's beige. It's like a beige white. It'll go great in with our walls, with everything in our apartment. And yeah, I'm so nervous, excited because I hope it looks good. Yeah. And I think it will.
It'll look good. Sophia collection.
It literally has my name on it, spelled wrong, but
Yeah.
it's my collection. I think I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so truth is we love our rug. We love our rug, but we decided to return our last mattress topper that was just not working for us. It was great, it was puffy, but it just wasn't what we wanted. We wanted, like, it wasn't soft enough and it wasn't as squishy as we had hoped. So we went back to Bed Bath & Beyond and got this one, the King. It's got cooling on the pad. We have high hopes. shopper. And it's 2.5 inches thick. Does it feel good? Good. I'm so excited. Here we go.
Guys, I got
So
something.
what are we doing today?
We have a sneaker unboxing. A sneaker that I didn't know I got it. Because if any of you that know the sneakers app for Nike, it's like you try for a sneaker, but you know, the chances of getting it are slim to none. So I kind of gave up the other day, and the box came
Crazy. It said pending, right?
pending. Yeah, usually when it says pending, it goes to sold out, and you don't get the sneaker.
Crazy.
So yeah, so we got it. It's here, and you guys are about to see what sneaker it is.
Yeah, and I'm just here.
Because she is the heart and soul of this relationship. And
I
we're gonna
have
do
an
this
opinion
together.
on shoes.
Yes, she has a good opinion
I
on
have an
shoes.
opinion on what I like for you, but also
Yeah,
love to see what you get.
yeah.
So
She has good taste.
it's good.
She has really good taste. So here we go. We can get into it. Nike does this thing where they put Just Do It tape on their packages. Not always a good thing for the holidays because we all know there are porch thieves that come around the neighborhoods and steal packages. And if it says Just Do It, you know it's Nike. So anyway, you've heard other YouTubers say that. I'm just jumping on the bandwagon. Some of you will know what it is by the box.
This orange is so good.
That's Nike box orange right there.
Man.
We got the Nike Sakai Vapor Waffles in the Sail Sport Fuchsia colorway. Yeah, she likes it. Let's see. Got that. Thing about Nikes.
Size 10?
Size 10, yes.
Okay.
Size 10 men's, 11.5 women's. That Nike smell. Clean,
Yeah.
brand new Nikes.
Yeah.
So here we go. You pull that.
Yeah.
Right, pull that right off of the box here. Slide it open. And then you come all the way out, just things like that. So you got the Nike Sakai paper. Came in the first collection of Nike and Sakai as well. I actually have the original Nike Sakais. Let me go grab those real quick so I can show you guys what the Sakai waffle racer, something like that, in the Summit White color. And so this is like the second iteration of the Nike Sakai collection.
Much, but I know the colors that I like on you, so that's pretty much all.
Yeah.
I know.
But-
I like it
Yeah.
on you.
This is fun though. I like, now that we're married, I want your opinion on like what I wear and stuff. So here we go. Here's the unboxing. You want to show it to the camera before it comes over
Oh
top?
my gosh.
There it is.
Okay. These are so cool.
So it's a double lace like the old ones did. These ones came with a white and gray lace. These ones come with a white and black lace. She didn't give you an up close shot. Thank you for showing up close, giving them the nice up close look.
I love the colors. So should we tell them what
The
we
plan?
made?
Yeah,
Maybe not the full plan,
what I planned.
but the idea.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you want to say? Or you want me to say?
You can. Yeah. You go.
Okay, so since I didn't even know I was gonna end up getting these shoes and kind of gave up on the idea, and we are building our Trings Get Dressed Instagram page right now. If you don't follow us yet, it's at Trings Get Dressed because that's our last name, and we get dressed every single day. We put on clothes
Every single day.
every single day. And we actually would like to do a giveaway to all our followers on that page. So you have to follow us
Yeah.
to enter the giveaway, and there will be rules for the giveaway on the post. I'll post it, we'll post it, we'll do a cute little picture of us like,
Yes.
hello, who it is. And yeah, so we're gonna run a giveaway for these shoes. It's a pretty good sneaker to have in your collection. I would love to keep it for my own, but I would rather give it away this time since I have the originals, and you know, love to bless someone. It's the holiday season. It's been a hard year for a lot of people financially. So to be able to bless somebody with this shoe would be, it would make me happy.
Yeah, there may be other things added to the giveaway too, so we'll let you know when we post it. But
Exactly.
yeah.
Yeah, so that's this. That's where we're at with that. Give a little side by side of the original and the current collection. Newest one, a little bit bigger of a shoe than this one. Here's a shoe. So one of you is gonna get it from me and my beautiful wife.
Yay! We're excited to give these away along with other things.
Yeah.
And stay tuned.
Stay tuned.